Hola niños y niñas, vamos a jugar Quizlet. Hi boys and girls, let's play Quizlet together. I want to use the one we just made for Snippy's birthday. So let's go through, do the flashcards together, and then I want to talk about the matching game over here. Okay? ¿Está bien? ¿Is that good? Qué bueno. Vamos a jugar, let's play. Entonces, ¿cuántos años tienes? What do you think that means? ¿Cuántos? I put a big C over my head. ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? Remember, it truly translates to how many years do you have? And that just tickles Miss Martin. Tengo 12 años. We know tengo means I have. So technically this is I have 12 years. But in English, we don't say it that way. We say, I am 12 years old. Y mira, look, esta es Snippy y el número 12. El cumpleaños is the word for birthday. This is a big one. Vamos a celebrar el cumpleaños de Snippy. You know, vamos a means we're going to do something. And this looks like celebrate. So it's let's celebrate the birthday of Snippy. But another way of saying it is we're going to celebrate Snippy's birthday. La fiesta de cumpleaños. We know that's birthday, and we know fiesta's a party. Qué bueno. Muy bien. Los globos. Now, we don't know this word, and it looks like the word globe. So that's how I remember that globos are balloons. Pastel. El pastel de cumpleaños. We know pastel, boys and girls. We know pastel. Remember the pastelitos we made this year? Los pastelitos con guayaba, the pastries with the guava. So pastel is any kind of dessert. And it would be a birthday cake for Snippy. La piñata. You know, Miss Martin's sort of scared of those because we could all get hurt playing them. But piñata is piñata. Es mismo. It's the same. Tortuga. Dun, dun, dun. Sí, tortuga. Hola, Snippy. La clase can be class, but it's also a classroom. We missed a couple at the beginning, but that's okay. So we finished our flashcards. Qué bueno. And now let's go and play the matching game together before we leave. Okay, so I just go down here to play and match. Let's see how we do. All right. Okay, let's start with ¿Cuántos años tienes? It's a question. How old are you? I don't see it. There it is. So let's see if I can drag it up. Qué bueno. My birthday is April 12th. Mi cumpleaños es el 12 de abril. Muy bien. We are going to celebrate Snippy's birthday. We know it's a fun word to begin with. Vamos a. Muy bien. Clase, I told you, can mean class or a classroom. Tengo 12 años. I am 12 years old. And el cumpleaños, birthday. Okay, so we did it in 46 seconds. Qué bueno. You guys do it and let me know how you're doing. I love and miss you guys like crazy. Hasta luego.